Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you something that you have never ever seen or done before. Do you want curly hair without chemical products? Yes, who doesn't? So today I'm gonna reveal you my secret. It's a cream that you will absolutely love. So let's begin together. The first thing that you will need is flaxseed gel. Flax seeds are good for your hair. It's a rich source of omega-3, vitamin B1, manganese, phosphorus, and selenium. If you want strong and healthy hair, then this super gel should be a part of your products. If you want to see how I have prepared my flaxseed gel, go in the description below and you will find the link. The second thing that we will need is a leave-in conditioner. It will moisturize your hair and helps in detangle it. But make sure to use a natural one. I'm using here the Alverde one, which is certified natural by Natural Cosmetic. We will also need shea butter. Shea butter is actually my love. Oh my god, how I love this butter. It's a must-have for me. This butter is very moisturizing for the hair and the scalp. And it can be used as a sealant to keep moisturized in hair and increases softness. It also reduces scalp irritation. We will need also an oil. Any oil you have at home. I'm using here flaxseeds oil, which is very moisturizing oil. We will need a little bit amount of honey, which will act as a preservative because of its high levels of sugar. So it can protect our products from spoilage. And finally, we will use a vanilla fragrance for the good smell. And to preserve our product or our cream, we will need an empty container. So let's start together. At first, we will take our flaxseed gel and add to it a little bit amount of honey and mix it very well.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
After that, we will put 1 tablespoon of butter or shea butter in the container and add to it our oil to smooth it.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Mix it very well. You will end up with a cream instead of hard butter. Add after that your leave-in, about 1 teaspoon, and start working the cream again. Add 3 teaspoons of flaxseed gel to the mixture and mix very well until you have an homogeneous cream. like what you will see in the video.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Mix the ingredients very well and don't hesitate to add flaxseed gel if it's needed. For me, it was just 1 teaspoon.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
And finally, add 3 drops of your fragrance. For me, it's vanilla fragrance.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
That's it, guys. Your cream is ready for use. It's really moisturizing even for skin. But let's try it together on curly hair.
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel if you like it and leave me a comment if you want me to do for you a specific recipe. Goodbye.